Are you tired of watching your hard-earned money slip away? Well, it's time to take control of your finances and make every dollar count. Hello and welcome back to Frugal Life Hacks. Today, we'll be sharing 50 amazing money-saving hacks that will help you slash your monthly budget and keep more money in your pocket. So let's dive right on in. Hack number 50. Review your bills regularly. Take a look at your subscriptions, utility bills, and even insurance policies. You'll be surprised at how much you can save just by negotiating or switching to more affordable options. Hack number 49. Say goodbye to bottled water. Investing in a reusable water bottle can save you hundreds of dollars per year. Plus, it's an eco-friendly choice. Hack number 48. Meal planning. Create a weekly meal plan and make a shopping list before hitting the grocery store. This way, you'll avoid impulse buys and reduce food waste. Hack number 47. Prepare large quantities of food and freeze individual portions. This can save you time and money. Hack number 46. Embrace second-hand shopping. Thrift stores, garage sales, and online platforms like eBay or Facebook Marketplace offer great deals on clothes, furniture, and more. Hack number 45. Declutter your home regularly. Sell or donate the items you no longer need. Not only will you create more space, but you also might have some extra cash. Hack 44. Whenever possible, ditch your car and use cycling instead. It's not only a money saver, but also a great way to stay fit. Hack number 43. Air dry your clothes. Skip the dryer and let the fresh air do the work. Not only will you save money on electricity, but your clothes will also last longer. Hack number 42. Start your own garden. Growing your own vegetables and herbs is not only rewarding, but can also save you a significant amount on groceries. Hack number 41. Utilize your local library. Instead of buying books or movies, borrow them for free. It's a fantastic way to entertain yourself while cutting down on expenses. Hack number 40. Install a programmable thermostat. Set it to the lower temperature when you're away to save on heating and cooling costs. Hack number 39. Pack your lunch for work or school. Eating out every day can add up quickly, so preparing your meals at home will save you a bundle. Hack 38. Use fans instead of air conditioning whenever possible. They consume less energy and can help you cut down on your electricity bill. Hack 37. Make your own laundry detergent. It's a simple and cost-effective solution that will keep your clothes clean and save you money. Hack 36. Bring reusable bags to the store. Not only will you save money on plastic bags, but you'll also reduce waste. Hack 35. Switch to a reusable menstrual cup or cloth pad. They're cost-effective, eco-friendly, and can save you money on your monthly menstrual products. Hack 34. Make your own cleaning products. Simple ingredients like vinegar, baking soda, and lemon can be used to clean almost anything, saving you money on expensive cleaning supplies. Hack 33. Invest in a sturdy bike lock. It may seem like an extra expense, but it will protect your bike from theft, saving you money on replacements. Hack 32. Explore free local events in your area. Check community calendars and social media for concerts, festivals, and other fun activities that won't cost you a dime. Hack 31. Sell unwanted items online. Platforms like eBay, Facebook Marketplace, and Craigslist are great places to earn extra cash from things that you no longer need. Hack 30. Learn basic bike maintenance. Knowing how to fix a flat tire or adjust your gears will save you money on bike shop repairs. Hack 29. Embrace slow cooking. Not only does it make meal preparation easier, but it's also an efficient way to cook cheaper cuts of meat, saving you money on groceries. Hack number 28. Make your own jam, sauces, and condiments. They're often cheaper and healthier than store-bought alternatives. Plus, they're a fun DIY project. Hack 27. Have gaming nights with your friends instead of going out. Host a potluck for dinner and bring your board games for fun and an affordable evening. Hack 26. Ditch your expensive gym membership and try free workout apps. Many offer a wide variety of exercises and training programs that can be done at home. Hack 25. Make your own baby food. It's healthier, cheaper, and allows you to control your ingredients. Plus, you can freeze batches for future use. Hack 24. Compare prices before making a purchase. Use comparison websites and apps to find the best deals and save money on everything from electronics to vacations. Hack 23. Bring your reusable coffee cup to the coffee shop. Many places offer discounts for customers who bring their own cups, saving you money and reducing waste. Hack 22. Review your subscription services regularly. Cancel the ones that you no longer use or find cheaper alternatives. Those monthly fees can add up without you even noticing. Hack 21. Switch to cloth napkins and towels instead of disposable ones. They're reusable, eco-friendly, and will save you a lot of money in the long run. As we move on to the top 20 money-saving hacks, don't forget to subscribe to Frugal Life Hacks to save you a ton of money. Hack 20. Use reusable food storage bags and containers instead of disposable ones. They're a great alternative and will save you money while reducing plastic waste. Hack 19. Switch to energy-efficient light bulbs. They may cost a bit more upfront, but they last longer and consume less energy, reducing your electricity bill. Hack 18. Declutter your DVD collection. Instead of buying or renting physical copies, stream movies and TV shows online. It's more convenient and cost-effective. Hack 17. Learn basic home repair skills. Fixing minor issues like leaky faucets or loose screws on your own will save you money on a handyman service. Hack 16. Start a savings jar. Collect spare change and small bills regularly. You'll be surprised at how quickly it adds up. Hack 15. Make your own snacks instead of buying pre-packaged ones. Granola bars, trail mix, and popcorn are just a few examples of homemade snacks that are cheaper and healthier. Hack 14. Properly maintain your car and bike. Regular maintenance and checking tire pressure will ensure better fuel efficiency and reduce the risk of costly breakdowns. Hack 13. Create your own face masks and beauty treatments using natural ingredients. They're often more affordable and free from harmful chemicals. Hack 12. Buy dry goods in bulk. Items like rice, beans, and oats are often cheaper when purchased in larger quantities, saving you money in the long run. Hack number 11. Consider using cloth diapers instead of disposable ones. Although there's an initial investment, they can save you a significant amount of money, especially if you have multiple children. Did you find these frugal living tips are already saving you a lot of money? Then the top 10 tips are totally going to change your life. Hack number 10. Take advantage of free online courses and educational resources. Expand your knowledge and learn new skills without spending a dime. Hack number 9. Goodbye Starbucks. Brew your coffee at home instead of buying it every day. Investing in a good coffee maker can save you a large amount of money in the long run. Hack number 8. Buy seasonal produce. It's usually cheaper, fresher, and supports local farmers. Plan your meals around what's in season to save money on groceries. Hack 7 is a classic but effective. Use coupons. Collect coupons from newspapers, websites, and apps to save money on groceries, dining out, and various daily needs. Hack 6. Pay your credit card bill on time and in full. Avoiding late fees and interest charges will help you save money and improve your credit score. Hack number 5. Explore free community resources. Many cities offer libraries, parks, and recreational facilities that provide free or low-cost entertainment options. Hack 4. Take advantage of free streaming platforms. There are plenty of services that offer movies, TV shows, and documentaries for free, so you can cut down on your entertainment expenses. Hack 3. Carpool or public transportation. Share rides with colleagues or neighbors to save on gas expenses. If possible, consider using public transportation, which can be more cost-effective than owning a car. Hack 2. Track your expenses. Start by keeping a record of all your expenditures for a month. It will help you identify unnecessary spending and find the areas to cut back. And finally, hack number 1. Create a budget. Start by analyzing your income and expenses. Set realistic spending limits for different categories and stick to them. Creating a budget will give you a clear picture of where your money is going. And there you have it. 50 money-saving hacks that slash your monthly budget. Remember, it's all about small changes and being mindful of your spending habits. Which hack are you excited to try first? Let us know in the comment section below. Make sure to check out our previous videos for such tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Frugal Life Hacks and stay up to date with the best frugal living tips that can save you thousands of dollars.